Hey YouTube, this is Facial with Simply Lavish at Home, and today I'm bringing you another Thirsty Thursday video. If you did not see it last week, Thirsty Thursday, I am going to bring you a brand new seasonal cocktail to add to your entertaining repertoire. This week's drink is called Thyme Will Tell. It's a bourbon drink that is flavored with a little bit of thyme. Check it out. So for this drink, what you'll need is 2 ounces of bourbon, a ½ ounce of maple syrup, a ½ ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice, some ice, and some thyme. Now you're going to want to use your muddler for this. If you don't have a muddler, a wooden spoon will do. And this is served in a lowball glass. So basically you want to take your thyme, put it in the bottom of the glass, just a few sprigs will do. And take your muddler and start releasing those oils from the thyme in the bottom of the glass. I'm going to add a few more of those little sprigs. And of course you experiment with this and do it all by how you like it to taste. So get that good and incorporate it. And you can start to smell the oils being released. And then simply add the rest of your ingredients. The bourbon, the maple syrup, that apparently is going to take forever to get out of here. And that is the lemon juice. And you want to give that a stir. Top it off with some ice. And there you have it. You can garnish this with some lemon peel or just another sprig of thyme. Here it is, Thyme Will Tell. This is a great drink for even folks who don't necessarily like bourbon. I tend to like sweet drinks, so the addition of that maple syrup really works for me. Plus the thyme gives it a really unique flavor, so give it a try. If there's something you want to see on Thirsty Thursday, feel free to leave that on comments. But first, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not already, hit that subscribe button and the little bell to let you know every time Simply Lavish at Home posts a video. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, here's to living simply lavishly. Cheers.